Alright, you guys, welcome back. I went to Walmart again today. I found the yellow Toro Loco. This is the part of Series 42. Legacy Truck Size Monster Jam. All I need is the chase piece, crutch cycle, and monster, and I have the whole set. Little Truck Show Action Monster Jam, of course, we know that. Pretty cool. Alright, let's get to the unboxing now. Okay, here it is, guys. Let me put the light on it. Here it is, guys. I love the purple ones in beadlocks. The purple trim on the flame of Toro Loco. The teeth. This is an old casting. It's not the new 3D casting yet. The purple in the front. The chin hair is pretty cool. The horns have different colors. We all know that. There's pink, purple, and yellow. Pretty cool. The Toro Loco Monster Jam logo. And monsterjam.com, no taillight printing. So yeah, black roll cage, gray chassis, the horns. So that's about it. That's all I got today, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Guys, more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you all enjoyed.